Hey there, nature lovers. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of the three-toed box turtle, a species that calls Houston, Texas home. These turtles are not only adorable, but they also play a crucial role in the ecosystem. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about their unique appearance. The three-toed box turtle, TERRAPENE triunguis, has 3 toes on each foot. They have a flat, box-like shell that helps them hide in the grass and leaves. Their shell is a beautiful mix of browns, oranges, and yellows, which helps them blend in with their surroundings. Now, let's talk about their habitat. These turtles are found in the eastern United States, particularly in Texas, where they live in grassy meadows, woodlands, and near bodies of water. They're most active during the day, so keep an eye out for them during your next nature walk. The three-toed box turtle is an important part of the ecosystem. They help control the population of insects and other small invertebrates. They're also a food source for larger animals like birds, snakes, and mammals. Now, let's talk about their defense mechanisms. When threatened, these turtles will close their shell and pull their head and legs inside, making it near impossible for any predator to get to them. Did you know that the three-toed box turtle's colors can vary to camouflage with its specific environment? They can vary from a dark brown to a light yellow with striking star-like stripes on their shell. Depending on the habitat and the fauna, each box turtle will look completely different from the last. That's it for today's fun educational video about the three-toed box turtle. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures and their important role in the ecosystem. Don't forget to follow us for more exciting nature facts and stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.